In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pyramid chart on Visme. Whether you're looking to visually represent data or just add a creative flair to your presentation, a pyramid chart can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right in. First, open your Visme project and head over to the design where you plan to insert your pyramid chart. Clicking to enter the editor will initiate the process because it's here where all your design magic happens. Once you're in the editing interface, you need to shift your focus to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but your interest will lie with the Data tab. Click on it, and you'll be presented with even more choices. Look for Charts and Graphs, or a similar label, depending on your version of Visme. This section allows you to choose from different chart types, and today, we're interested in the pyramid chart. Selecting Pyramid as your chart type is crucial. As Visme has improved its functionalities, the pyramid chart is now easily accessible under the Data section. You'll want to locate the pyramid chart icon and click on it to insert the chart onto your canvas. This step creates the foundation on which you'll build your data visualization. Once your pyramid chart is on the canvas, it's time to input your data. A data editor should automatically pop up, resembling a spreadsheet. This interface is where you'll enter the categories for each level of the pyramid and input values for those categories. Take a moment to reflect on how you want each pyramid layer to appear in terms of size. If a category is significant, assign it a larger value so it takes up more space on your pyramid. This will ensure that the visual representation accurately mirrors the data you intend to showcase. Now that your data is set, you can get creative with customization. By selecting the pyramid, a Settings tab will be available in the chart editor. Within these settings, you have the power to change the colors of each pyramid level, giving your chart a distinct and visually appealing look. You can also adjust the labels, choosing to show or hide numerical values, or even renaming the categories for clarity. If your chart includes a legend, this is where you can modify or add to it, ensuring all information is easily understood by your audience. Finally, one of the most engaging features you can enable is animation. Setting your chart with interactive or animated effects can captivate your audience's attention and make the presentation of your data more dynamic. And there you have it. With just these steps, you've successfully crafted a pyramid chart in Visme. It's a fascinating way to present your data clearly and creatively. Feel free to explore the features and make it your own. Thanks for watching, and happy chart making!